Hey Edson, it's Bear Kevin Zahara with another Town of Edson COVID-19 update for this week. Earlier this week, we found out that the Edson Continuing Care Center had an outbreak of COVID-19. Obviously, this is one of the worst case scenarios, something that we were dreading throughout the last 10 months of COVID-19 being a part of our lives. And unfortunately, it is in our Continuing Care Center right now. And I just want to extend our community's heartfelt thoughts and prayers to the individuals and the families that are impacted by this. I understand it's contained to one unit, and it's just unfortunate to see this occurring in our community. And I also want to let our healthcare professionals know at Edson Continuing Care and the Edson Healthcare Center that we stand behind you, we are with you, and we support you through what is undoubtedly a very difficult time, and we'll continue to monitor that situation. Here locally, our numbers have been pretty stable over the last little while. 24 active cases right now in the Edson region, including that outbreak at Edson Continuing Care. 14 in Hinton, 6 in Jasper, 19 in Whitecourt, 22 in the Drayton Valley Rocky Mountain House, the Drayton Valley Brazeau County area, and 89 in the Rocky Mountain House, Clearwater County area. Yesterday was basically a year since Dr. Dina Hinshaw first spoke of COVID-19. A year ago, we didn't have any COVID here in Alberta or even in Canada. And of course, here today, we see active case counts of over 10,000 here in the province of Alberta. And yesterday was also the date that we were expecting to hear some news about restrictions. Premier Jason Kenney had mentioned that the restrictions would be looked at around January 21st. Unfortunately, yesterday there were no restrictions that were eased, and at this point we don't know when that may occur. Obviously, we have concerns that restaurants continue to remain closed, gyms, things of that nature, and we're going to continue to advocate to see those businesses reopen in our community. Especially here in Edson, we've stabilized our case counts, we're doing all the right things, and we're going to be seeing some workers arriving in our community once again to get restarted on the TMX pipeline, and any places to eat. We need businesses open to support families and the community, and many businesses are struggling right now, and we need to see them reopen. So we'll continue to work on that and advocate on our community's behalf to see that reopening occur here in rural Alberta. Now, some great news this week that we shared. If you missed it, Edson's going to have a new skating oval. I want to thank our parks team for really stepping up and working hard on this. They've started to build this skating oval over in Water Tower Park across from Repsol Place. So you're going to see crews working there. Please, I can't plead enough. Please stay off the ice and away from that area so it doesn't get damaged, and so we can have that facility reopened as quickly as possible, or opened as quickly as possible. Obviously, we need some snow and some cooler weather as well to cooperate with us, but hopefully within the next week and a half, we're going to see that skating oval open here in our community. I did receive a lot of feedback, people asking if we would be able to do something like this, and our parks team has really stepped up. So really looking forward to that. Edson, that's my update for this week. Stay safe, take care of one another, enjoy the beautiful weather, and I do understand we might be seeing some snowfall here this weekend, and I'll have a further update for you next week. Take care.